All right, so special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their manual nose hair trimmer. This is a great gift for men. No, nothing around the box here. Let's open it up. Wow, the case feels very nice and soft. And then inside of this is just a manual nose trimmer. So you can see, made out of stainless steel. That's all the size specs and everything. A nose trimmer. So if you get a little cleaning brush, nice. And look at that, it even comes in a case. That's even cooler. That's it for the box. So inside of this is the nose trimmer. I have never seen anything like this before, but you can take this little cap off and then just manually trim your nose hairs. Nice and easy. So you just kind of press the side, and if you look in there, you might see it moving. That would just be it slicing the nose hair. So stick it in your nose and then press, and it'll cut the hairs for you. I really like this. I think it's a unique design. It is completely made out of metal. Feels great in the hand, and perfect for somebody who wants to just easily and quickly trim their nose hairs. Pretty good item, I think. So that'll do it for this manual nose hair trimmer. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me to unbox and show you what comes inside of here. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.